Ill Kid, Rich TV Live. You know it's a full alert, baby.
It's Bugatti Beats.
Yeah. Full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Yeah. I told y'all motherfuckers about Aurora and how it's gonna blow up. And Kira did the same and make you throw up. I was talking about Kush bottles, KSHB. I was talking about I ain't this and what they gon' be. It was BVO. We gave you all the answers. TRST shit, you know it's Kentress. Don't forget about Africa. We brought you into harvest. But why you still hate on the kid? Why? That shit is far-fetched. Just the 52-week lows. That's just how it goes. Rich TV is hit. We about to make some dough. Yeah, right on everything in January. Shit is popping out. Rolling up some good in the backwood and we puffing clouds. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Yeah, full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Yeah, full alert is full alert. Let me take you to the future with ACB on top and Africa right next to that shit in the second slot. I'm like Jordan in his prime, shooting with Pippen, making money all the time, fucking with some man. Kush bottles ain't going nowhere. You know it's gaining hype, and if you ain't watching, you ain't winning. It's time to say goodnight. Even with the fever, that shit diva with the hitter. You can leave that shit with Beaver. I don't fuck with non-believers. I got fire in my pocket, take my way up to Supreme. If you bet on this company, you gon' make some cream. XOY, I got lots of that. It's about to pop and flag. I ain't gotta stop the rap to tell you that you copping that Vivo. I buy that in my Speedo with eyes closed, eating a burrito or eating on some fucking Cheetos. Yeah, you know you buy that shit. It's a new strike on these haters and the missile get you hit. Yeah, bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Yeah, full alert is full alert. Yo, full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Yo, full alert is full alert. TV Live, Ill Kid in the fucking building.
So we are in a full alert, and the reason we're on a full alert is that there's some stocks that are just absolutely screaming, and there's very few people in the world that can actually do this, but we've actually done it. So essentially, if you take a look at Eglx, we talked about them last week, they're up 8% today. If you look at Meta, we talked about them 2 weeks ago. Meta is up more than 130% since we talked about them 2 weeks ago. IIPR, I told you guys that they have a chance to 10x. I told you they're one of the top picks for 2020. I told you they're one of my top picks for 2020. You laughed at me. You ridiculed me. The shorts have told me they are shorting IIPR. I said, please short IIPR. I shouted from the hills. It's my number one pick. Please short IIPR. I shouted from the rooftops. Even yesterday, I was messaged, oh, your pick IIPR not looking so good. It's down 14% since your pick. I said, fantastic. It's my number one pick for 2020, and 2020 hasn't started yet. So short it down so I could pick it up. That's what I said. The results have been epic. IIPR is up 6 24% as we speak. Where your shorts at? I haven't heard from you guys today. You only come out when you win. I figured you guys out. You guys only come out when you win. You guys are gutless. You shorts are gutless. You only come out when you win. Try to short Tesla. Try to short Apple. Try to short Facebook. Try it. I dare you. Try to short Visa. Try to short American Express. Try to short MasterCard. I double dare you. Go ahead and short IIPR. Let me buy it at a lower price. I brought you guys BEVCANNA first last week. They're up 24% today. I brought you Tesla. I brought you a girl working at Tesla. Invested millennial works at Tesla. I told you guys I loved Tesla. I predicted the stock would go from $300 to $1,000 a share. I dare you guys to short Tesla. I dare you to short Tesla. Eglx, I brought you guys last week. It's gone from $1.60 to $1.95 right now. Meta, I brought you 2 weeks ago. It's gone from... No, who else is doing this? I want to know who else is doing this. Tesla's gone from 17 cents to where it is right now. Meta at 39 cents, from 17 cents to 39 cents. 130%. It's up now 12.86%. Meta is up 12.86% today. It's now at 39.5 cents. 39.5 cents from 17 cents. We are approaching up 150% since my video at 17 cents. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Totally unbelievable, guys. Are you guys even watching? That was my Christmas gift to you guys. Did you guys take advantage of Meta? Did you guys take advantage of Meta? I'm just saying, guys, like, I'm giving you guys picks. These are gold nuggets. IIPR up 6%. Meta up 12%, up about 140% since my video at 17 cents. It's at 39.5 cents. Oh my goodness. EGLX, I did it last week at $1.60. It's up 8% at $1.95. Oh my goodness. Who else is doing this, guys? These are free Christmas gifts. BEVCANNA at 41 cents, up 24%. I brought you this last week too. Who else is doing this? Tesla, I brought it to you at $3.20. It's at $4. I just want to know if anybody else is doing this, guys. Please let me know. Please enlighten me. Enlighten me. I just want to know. Tesla is at $419. Is this Christmas or Richmas? Eric Da Silva says, I'm not sharing my picks. As soon as I share it in public, they get shorted. Shorts are out like hawks, man. Shorts are out like hawks. Alex Castillo says, haha, not true, Eric. I don't worry about anybody knowing what I have. We are too small for anybody to care. I wouldn't be so surprised, Alex. There's a lot of people watching. Alex says, I have Namaste, Afria, CanTrust, Aurora, Suniva, Zenibus, and I'm not scared of telling shorts about this. Well, all of them have already been destroyed. All of them have already been shorted. So, yeah. Alex Castillo says, shorts lost $8 billion shorting Tesla. Yep. I dare you guys to short Tesla. I dare you shorts to short Tesla. I just want to know who made money on my picks, man. I just want to know who made money on these picks, man. That's all I want to know. Honestly, be honest. Did you make money on Meta? Did you make money on BEVCANNA? Did you make money on Tesla? Did you make money on Enthusiast Gaming? I want to know. Everybody wants to talk about the picks that go down. Let's talk about the picks that go up. Let's spend some time talking about picks that go up. I think we need to do that. Merry Christmas, Evan. Evan says, thank you, Rich. I listened to you on Bev and Meta. Hey, man. I'm glad. That's all I can say. I'm glad, man. Because everybody wants to talk about picks that go down. What about the picks that go up? Mikey says, do you know any public asteroid mining companies? No, not that I can think of, but if you know any, let me know. Merry Christmas, Evan. Merry Christmas to all of you guys that are watching all over the world. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. Once again, 2 days before Christmas, we've done it again. Not only did I tell you the guys that Bitcoin would blow, and Bitcoin has blown. Not only did I tell you guys that Meta would blow, and Meta has blown 140%. Not only did I tell you guys with invested millennial who works at Tesla that Tesla was going to blow, that I loved the Cybertrucks, that people are going to be driving around in tanks. People will be driving around in tanks. Bulletproof tanks. This is the future. This is where we're going. This is where we're going. If you guys actually want winning picks, there is not one channel anywhere in the world that will give you more winning picks than us. Statistically, it's proven. I've been asking for years, show me one other person that's naming picks that go up after they speak. Now, I'm not saying you should hold these picks. When I talk, it's very powerful. I'm not suggesting you hold these picks because the shorters will eventually, once they go up, they will take them down. You need to be in, you need to be out. You need to take your money, you need to run. When you see 10% or more gains, take it and run. Stay in cash, wait for the next opportunity. This is the rich system. Now, yes, I do invest in stocks and hold long-term, and if they go down, I buy more. I do that all the time. But once in a while, you do want to momentum trade. And once in a while, you want to take advantage of action, price action in the markets. Momentum. Right now, the stock market is at all-time highs. Companies like Tesla will continue to rise because of momentum. They have the big mo. Momentum is everything in the stock market. Momentum is everything in the stock market. Alex says those will be worth trillions. Mikey says Rich Stradamus. Respect, bro. Thank you. Eric says I have bags of Crop, Buzz, RLSC, and INCB. I don't get judged for holding MJ penny stocks. I mean, at the end of the day, everybody has their own portfolio. Nobody should have the right to judge anybody. Why should anybody have the right to judge anybody's portfolio? But the reality is we need to diversify our portfolios if we want to win, because the reality is companies like Apple are up 100%. Companies like Tesla have jumped 100% in 2019 from their lows. So there are opportunities everywhere, and we need to open up as a community all the opportunities that exist in the marketplace. Everything needs to open up. Cryptocurrencies, gold, oil and gas, indexes, shorting, longing, options, futures, you name it, we do it. You name it, we do it. And we've been calling winners for 3 years. Even when the entire cannabis stocks are down, we've still been able to find winners, cannabis winners and non-cannabis winners. But yet the haters and the trolls, they want to focus on the losers. I want to explain something to you. If you own a stock, even if it goes down, you still are not going to lose 100%. You might lose 99%. You can lower your cost and you will never be out 100% as long as they don't go bankrupt. Now, if you go up 100% on a stock, you can actually make back the winnings on one stock that you lost on another. Now, if you're up 140% on Meta and you listen to me when they hit the bottom at 17 and they've now exploded up and you're up 140%, you can take all of your losses and gain it all back and then some on the next winner. This is why, as investors, you can't get attached to your portfolio. You can't get emotional with your trading. You need to always be finding the next winner. You always need to be looking for the next winner. Because the winners, especially if they go up 100%, 200%, 300%, they can make up for all of your losers. You can't get focused on the losers and let that affect you from moving forward as an investor. As an investor, you have to continue to move forward. You have to keep looking for the next trade. Too many traders get caught up and get emotional with their losses, and it doesn't allow them to find the next winner, which will allow them to build their portfolio and get momentum in their trading, build momentum in their winning. Trading is about winning. But when you focus on your losing, it can affect your winning. The shorters have moved out of the broader markets and they've moved into cannabis, clearly, because it's the only place they can win. I know you guys are watching. I know all the shorters are watching. I know you guys are. I know your game. I get your game. You can't scare me. You can't hurt me. You think that you're hurting the cannabis sector and you're hurting me, but all you're doing is creating buying opportunities for me where I can buy all the best companies at the lowest possible prices. So as far as I'm concerned, this is an opportunity of a lifetime for green gold. An opportunity of a lifetime. An opportunity we have not seen since 2017. Alex Castillo says, because of what you said, Rich, is that I never sell for a loss. Average down or I wait, depending on the situation. Unless the company's going bankrupt. Unless the company goes bankrupt, I'm not going to sell. Why would I sell as long as the company doesn't go bankrupt? I can always average down and wait for a dead cat bounce. Because these companies will go up and down. I've proven it with Meta. Meta was at $1. It went all the way down to 17. I did my due diligence. I did my research. Everyone says Rich doesn't do any due diligence. Well, I did my due diligence on Meta, clearly. Found the bottom at 17 cents. Told the world Meta was at a bottom. And I see them going 10x to $1. They've already gone up 140% in 2 weeks since my video. Green gold. There is zero chance that Aurora goes bankrupt. I say there's a higher likelihood it goes to $10 than it goes to $0. That's what I have to say. Andrew Left has come out and said to me personally that it's going to go to $0. Other analysts, experts have said it's going to go to $0. I'm telling you, it will not go to zero. They have a better chance of going to $10 than they do to zero. I'm betting it goes to 10. I'm not betting it goes to zero. There's people out there that are betting it's going to go to zero. They all know it's not going to zero. It might go to $2. It might go to $1. I'm betting it goes to 10. So if it goes to $2 or it goes to $1, guess what? I'm going to buy it. And then when it goes up to 10, I'm going to make 10 times my money. I'm okay with that. I'm okay investing in the largest cannabis company in the world, 25 countries worldwide, trading at the lowest prices. I'm okay with that. Reminds me of, Apple? How long have you guys been listening to me? I've been telling you guys that Aurora is the Apple of the cannabis sector. Why? Apple has billions of shares. Aurora has a billion shares. Apple's in 100 countries. Aurora's in 25 countries. What's the difference between Apple and Aurora? Apple's been around longer. Aurora's still a baby. Do you honestly think Aurora's not going to explode? Do you honestly, truly believe that? 25 countries. Largest global cannabis company in the world. I just read their press release today. They're not getting smaller. They're getting bigger. They're not bankrupt. They're not running out of money. Pretty soon they're going to be profitable. It's all lies. If you're listening to anybody else out there, I'm telling you right now, man, you should be watching this show. This is the only show that's bringing you winners before they explode. This is the only show. There ain't nobody else even close. I love you, YouTube. I love everything about all the social media platforms that are out there. But straight up, there is nobody even close with their picks. There's guys boasting when picks go up 2%, 5%. I bring picks that go up 100%, 200% in 2 weeks. My picks collectively are up 200%. Check the statistics, guys. IIPR, Meta, EGLX, BEVCANNA, Tesla. Look at those picks over the last 2 weeks, calculate how much they're up, and say, oh, wow, Rich is right. These picks, since he's talked about them, are up collectively 200% in the last 2 weeks. Where else do you need to go? Who else is doing this live? Who else is calling picks before they explode live? Alex Castillo says, it is a big community, so members bring a whole lot of good picks here all the time on Rich TV Live. It's true. Our members bring great picks. This is why our community is so powerful. Alex Castillo says, I have seen it, been here a long while. Alex Castillo says, because of what you said, Rich, is that I never sell for a loss, average down, or wait, depending on the situation. Alex Castillo says, selling 300 to 400 million a year, I would say chance at ACB going under is low. There will always be an investor invested in them. They sold 300 to 400 million in 2019. In 2020, they're going to sell 750 million to $1 billion. I'm just saying. They're going to sell between 750 million to $1 billion in 2020, and they're selling 300 to 400 million in 2019. And you're saying they're going to go bankrupt? This company is only a baby. You're going to tell me they're going bankrupt? They are a baby. But despite the fact they're a baby, they're a big baby in 25 countries and vertically integrated in every single part of the cannabis sector. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. You need to invest in the best. Right now, everybody needs to invest in the best. Invest in the best. The markets are hot right now. Invest in the best. John says ACB buying today. I wouldn't rush to buy ACB. I just think that we need to find the bottom. I don't know what the bottom is because we keep finding new low lows. And we are now trading at 2017 prices. So this is between 2017 and right now. There's never been a time to buy Aurora cheaper. But the reality is almost every day it keeps going lower. So I'm not going to tell you to buy today. I'm just telling you we as a community need to find the bottom because Aurora will not go to zero. It is more likely it goes to $10 than it goes to zero. I predict it goes to $10 before it goes to zero. What do you guys think? That's my prediction. John Hughes says, raise your hand if you are buying ACB today. John Hughes says, good points, big man rich. Thank you, John. I appreciate you, brother. Thunderbird says, companies issue stocks because they need cash to burn through. Well, that's why I keep saying to everybody, how are they going to go bankrupt? All they got to do is just issue shares and raise money. So they're not going bankrupt. They've got tons of liquidity in their stock, which gives them the ability to raise capital. They're not going bankrupt. Anybody that's saying they're going bankrupt or going to zero is a complete and utter liar. They know they're not going bankrupt. They know they're not going to zero. They're just saying that to create fear and panic so that you sell your shares. And then they can short it and then buy it back at a lower price. That's what shorting is. Shorting is they sell you shares at a higher price and then buy it back. That's shorting. It's the opposite of buying. A buyer buys shares low, sells high, hopefully. A shorter sells high, buys low. There it is. So what do you do when something's higher than you want it to be? You create fear. You create panic. You send an email to Rich TV Live and say, Aurora's going to zero. This is what you do. Alex says, I have enough ACB holding to buy it much cheaper if it happens, or just making money on the upside with what shares I have. I think we all know that Aurora is going to go way higher. It's just a matter of time. I just think it's funny that yesterday I was being ridiculed about my pick IIPR, and today IIPR is up. Oh, let's see. Let's see how much it's up. Because I just love laughing at the shorters. Because they're saying they've been shorting my pick. Okay, so IIPR is now at $75.65, up 6.59%. How do you like me now, shorters? Where you at now? Message me right now. Come on. Message me. I dare you. Double dare you with a cherry on top. You're gutless. Gutless. Gutless cowards. You only laugh when you're up. When you're down, you cry like a bunch of little cowards. Oh my goodness, Meta. Say it ain't so, Meta. Meta is now up 15.71%. Now at 40.5 cents. I brought it to you at 17 cents. We are now officially up 150%. Damn. My goodness. Absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous, man. This is getting ridiculous, guys. Like I said, man, if you guys know anyone else giving you guys picks that go up 150% before they go up 150%, like your boy, please let me know. Because I've been talking about Meta since it was at 17 cents. So I think they deserve a full alert. Let's put them on a full alert. Meta, IIPR on full alert. What else? What other picks? Can I bring it on full alert? Let's see. Enthusiast Gaming. Let's see how much you guys are. There's a lot of full alerts, man. Holy smoke. Is it Richmas? Is it Christmas or Richmas? Is this Christmas or Richmas? Oh, Enthusiast Gaming. Up 9.4%. Let's go.
You know it's a full alert, baby.
You know it's full alert, baby.
It's Bugatti Beats.
Woo! Yo, Shorts, where you at? Are you on vacation? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! BEVCANNA up 27%. Oh, yes, we're the best. We're the best. KSHB. What they gon' be? TRSC shit, you know it's can't trust. Tesla up 3%, a big board. The 52-week low, that's just how it goes. Rich TV is here.
We about to make some dough, yeah, right on everything in January. Shit is popping now, rolling up some good in the backwood, and we buffing clouds. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you.
Hey guys, like my picks now.
Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert.
Let me take you to the future with ACB on top. I feel right next to that shit in the second slot. Just like Jordan in his prime. Shooting with Pippen.
Making money all the time.
Fucking with some men. Call that
Bottles
shit
ain't
too.
going nowhere.
You know it's gaining hype.
And if you ain't watching, you ain't winning.
It's time to say goodnight.
Tino with the fever, that shit diva with the heater. You can leave that shit with Beaver. I don't fuck with non-believers. I got fire in my pocket, take my way up to Supreme. If you bet on this company, you gon' make some cream.
XOY.
I got lots of that. It's about to pop it fat. I ain't gotta stop.
I'm getting some FOMO.
You copping that Vivo. I buy that in my
Mosquitoes.
with eyes closed, eating a burrito or eating on some fucking Cheetos. Yeah, you know you buy that shit. It's a new strike on these haters, and the missile get you hit. Yeah, bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Bow down, I ain't a
Who's
hater
that?
like you. Bow down to a greater trader
Who's
than
that?
you. Yeah, full alert is full alert. Yo, full alert is full alert. Full alert is full alert. Yo, full alert is full alert.
Wow. It's a lot of winners, man, right before Christmas. Damn. It's a lot of winners right before Christmas. Holy smokes. That's a lot of winners right before Christmas, man. My goodness. Jeez. And there's people trying to put themselves on our level? What? John Hughes says, Alex, I have 2,500 shares in 2 accounts. For now, I'm losing, but eventually I will make loads of money. Bert Pardo says, about to buy 100 shares of Tesla. I hope you win big, my friend. I hope you win big. Alex Castillo says, exactly, John. Just wait. I average down it goes down a lot. It's the way to trade, bro. Pat Mann says, I have 2,200 shares of ACB, and I love it. I just bought 70 more shares of CanTrust. CanTrust, when they get their license back, are going to freaking explode. Alex Castillo says, Rich, anyone messaging you saying they are shorting your picks are liars. And are no more than haters and trolls, trust me. Well, if they're shorting my picks, they're probably out of business. Because my picks are going up. So if you're shorting my picks, good luck to you guys. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. And my picks are going to be big board picks. There's going to be a lot of big board picks sprinkled in with the cannabis stocks moving forward. So good luck to you guys shorting my picks. Good luck to you shorting Apple. Good luck to you shorting Facebook. Good luck to you shorting Twitter. Good luck to you shorting Snapchat. Good luck to you shorting Tesla. Good luck to you shorting Visa. Good luck to you shorting MasterCard. Good luck to you shorting American Express. Tyler says, Rich, thoughts on Aurora. I think Aurora is a giant, and I think these prices are a gift, but I think it could go lower, so let's find the bottom. It's just me says, looks like a good buy. What about BEVCANNA? Yeah, I wouldn't chase 27% gains, but I told you guys about BEVCANNA before it exploded. If you wanted to make money, that was the time to get in. I'm not chasing green, and I'm not suggesting you should chase green, but you guys do whatever you want. I'm just here to tell you guys what's up. I'm just the messenger boy, man. I'm just the messenger boy. I just deliver you guys the news. I bring you guys picks, and I talk about it. That's it. Mr. Sudak says ACB is 10% of my portfolio at €345 per share. Should I bought more now at €185? Greetings from Germany. Hey, how you doing from Germany? My advice is always, if you're down on a stock, to lower your cost. So my advice would be yes. But you need to do what makes you happy. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not telling you how to trade. Always consult a financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a licensed advisor. I am a influencer. I am a trader like you guys. I am building a media company. I do deliver you guys the news in an entertaining and educational way, but I am not a licensed advisor. We are going to be building a membership. We are building a membership on YouTube. We are building a membership for a website. We are going to be building memberships, newsletters. We are going to be taking things to the next level. This is why you see our picks are so good, because we're really focused on getting better. Now more than ever, we really want to hone in right now and bring you guys the best picks. It is vital that right now we bring you guys the best picks and that we invest in the best, because the best is blessed. So more and more, I'm going to be bringing you guys big board stocks. We're going to invest in the best, and I'm going to identify the best cannabis companies, the best 5Gs companies, the best gold companies, the best tech companies, the best undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed gaming companies, the best extraction companies. But you guys got to help me out though, man. We got 27 people here and 7 likes. I just brought you guys 5 winners. I called all 5 of these winners in advance. IIPR, Meta, Eglx, BEVCANNA, Tesla. Called all 5. I've been doing it live, daily. All of them are up right now. And all we could get, okay, now we got 12 likes. It's better than 7. But come on, guys. Really? Who else is bringing you guys picks before they explode? Now, there must be a lot of shorters here having a bad day. Are you guys having a bad day because you shorted my picks? Is that what this is? Is there a lot of shorters here? Are there 17 shorters here that are licking their wounds? Did you short Meta? Did you guys short Meta? Just tell me, did you short Tesla? Did you short Apple when I was telling everyone about Apple at 240 and it's now run to 280? Did you short Apple? Is that why you're salty? Are you salty because you shorted Apple? Did you short Visa when I was telling everyone to buy Visa? Did you short MasterCard when I told everyone to buy MasterCard? Because both of those picks are up too. I just want to know why you can't smash the like button. You must be feeling salty. Is it because my picks are the best? Is it because you can't pick winners before they explode like your boy? Is that the reason why you're not smashing the like button? Is that the reason why you're salty? Are you salty 2 days before Christmas? Just asking. C21 has been doing nicely. It's another one that I like, and I own C21 too. Pat asks, is BEVCANNA the best? I think they have a chance to be a really good company. Tyler Trudeau says, Rich, thoughts on Aurora Partners. When do you see a turnaround? I see it very soon. You know, they've got new management coming in place, and I think that this is going to be a changing of the guard. So I'm excited to see what Aurora does. Tyler says, I'm confused about Aurora's stock price. Well, you got to understand, Aurora is not profitable. And as long as your company is not profitable and you don't have $1 billion partner, it's going to be very difficult to keep the stock price up. That's the climate that we are in the cannabis sector right now. Tyler says, Aurora, lowest cost producer, largest capacity, highest margins, highest sell-through rate, tops in bestsellers, first to market with edibles. They're still not profitable. So once they become profitable, you're going to see the stock's going to skyrocket and we'll be back to $10. And we'll look back at these prices and go, oh my goodness, Rich was right. Oh my goodness, Rich was right again. Oh my goodness, Rich was right again. That guy, Rich, he picked so many winners. Oh my goodness. All he does is bring us winners. Because if you ain't winning, you ain't watching. It's not my fault that the cannabis sector crashed. I want to make sure everybody understands. It is not my fault that the cannabis sector crashed. And when the cannabis sector explodes, it would also not be because of me. But I want you to remember these days and these prices and my predictions, because I've been making these predictions since 2017. I didn't fall off the back of a coconut truck and just show up and start pretending that I'm some type of an expert. Aurora Cannabis going to zero? That's like saying LeBron James is done. How many people said LeBron James was done last year? Look at him now. Things can change so quickly. It just wasn't me, says already have been BEVCANNA. Wasn't asking, just letting you know it's up 27%. That's huge. I'm excited, man. I brought it to you guys first. Infinite Possibility says bought more DCOP right now at 005. Thank you guys for the 16 likes. That's better than 7. Don says, be nice, Rich. I'm trying to be nice. Infinite Possibility says, I don't short. I don't know how to short. Michael Peterson says, Enthusiast Gaming Holdings is up 10%. I don't really know what to say other than we got a lot of winners right now, man. Lots. I think I have a pretty good song for this.
Hey, guys. Guess what? Come check this out.
This is from Ill Kid himself.
Let's check it out. What is in?
We brought you IIPR, Meta, EGLX, BEVCANNA, and Tesla. All 5 are deep green today.
I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my clout. You can just get off my clout. Haters not bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now. Henny in my cup, yeah, straight up. I don't fuck with no ice cubes. Diamond stay dripping. I'm a white boy, nice whip with some nice moves. Bruce Lee smoking loose leaves. You swear I'm doing some kung fu. Got a trunk full of birds. Sit down, we playing duck goose. Yeah. I ain't beginning, I've been here before. Haters are mad while I even the score. I lay on the beach, take a peek at the shore. My wife is a diamond, you sleep with a whore. Butler is serving my chefy station. Looking to make this so dirty that me nigga looking. And if you get caught, then you best be cooking the recipe. Don't guess it has to be tricking. This is no kid and play. I got shit to say. I got homies in the CFL to the NBA. Word of juice, anyways. I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my clout. You can just get off my clout. Haters not bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now. Yeah, talking my shit. This a rocky shit. 3 seconds, I'm a blast off. Alpha Omega, see, I am the past, present, future, really no mask off. Fucking with rich, we getting rich. Yeah, you know my stack strong. Smoking the Philly, it's illy, it's silly how many trolls try to take along. Blaze through, then I'm back again. I got the keys and you can't get in. I do not take an L, so I just had to win. I run with killers and shooters and savages. I do not listen to you. I do not miss off the cue. I'm in the midst of Peru. Make no mistake, you in the lake, so they go fishing for you. Shooting like my name is Juice. Yo, I mix and produce. Christopher's loose. Listen to haters, they broke, but it's funny. I'm getting money like I'm Mr. Magoo. Greedy as fuck, but I'm humble as shit. I'm lyrical with it, you mumble as shit. Ghost Riders riding up all of your head. Your bitch is with me and she suckers a dick. I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my clout. You You could just get off my cloud. Haters, stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now.
So, yeah, I think Aurora has something big up their sleeves. Aurora is going to be working with the UFC. And imagine it was Dana White. Imagine they brought in Dana White. Let's start a rumor. Aurora Cannabis bringing in Dana White or George St. Pierre. Aurora Cannabis brings in George St. Pierre. Aurora Cannabis brings in GSP. That would be sick. Yeah, I think Aurora's going to be great, man. I don't listen to all the noise, man. FOMO is real. I got mad FOMO for these prices, but I ain't going to chase. I'm just going to wait, hunt the bottom. These are the lowest prices we have seen since 2017. Rich TV Live has been talking about Aurora since it was at $1.50. We're back to those prices where I was talking about it when we just started as a little baby channel with like 500 subscribers. We were talking about Aurora at $1.50. I remember because I still own shares. Now we're back to the lowest price it has been since 2017. You could have not found this price in 2018, and you could have not found this price up until now of 2019. So for over 2 years, you could have never bought Aurora cheaper. That's all I got to say, man. This is the lowest you could have bought Aurora since 2017. Bringo Kimbo? No, Kimbo's no longer alive, man. Kimbo's gone. Eric Da Silva says Buzz is selling tons of weed in Germany and Israel, and it has a collaboration with FSD Pharma and CHV. Buzz, eh? Emerald today, interesting deal. Tyler says, so what is it about their situation that has the sentiment so negative? The future looks so bright. Shorters trying to make money. If shorters don't create fear and panic, how do they make money? They have to keep you in a constant state of fear and panic. Even though Tesla's going up, everybody's scared. Even though Apple's going up, everybody's scared. So people are not really taking advantage of Leafs are on right now? No. Are you serious? Yo, hold on. Time out. Listen to this song, listen to the words, and listen to the picks. Yo, let me turn the Leaf game on. And the Raps will be on today, too.
You kid, Rich TV is in the house, big money. You know what it is, that's what we all about. EO Kid is in the place, and we tearing up the game, staying on a paper chase. Can't nobody match the grind, just a hustle every day. I know that we ain't got much time. I do this for the 52-week highs and the lows, how it goes. Hope you enjoying the show. Rich TV is in the house, big money, big stocks, that's what we all about. EO Kid is in the place, and we tearing up the game, staying on a paper chase. Can't nobody match the grind, just a hustle every day. I know that we ain't got much time. I do this for the 52-week highs and the lows, how it goes. Hope you enjoying the show. Yeah, respect the hustle, cause the hustle never stops. I keep buying on the low and then I'm selling when it tops. I'm watching Rich, he got the picks for the whole group. You better listen up quick before it's old news. You never miss my shine straight like Invisalign. First place, shit, I got it locked like I'm 69. We shooting stars, blast off, watch your eye socket. We track stocks till they blow when they skyrocket. I rule my poems just like a haiku. Rich TV watching, that is my tool. I'm succeeding, I just keep up with the race. And if you fall and get back up, don't let it hit you in the face.
Thank you, man.
We always learning when we making our mistakes. Don't feel bad about an L, cause winning is our fate. Ill Kid, talking facts, I'ma guide you. And if you down with the cause, then you can ride too. Rich TV is in the house, big money, big stocks, that's what we all about. Ill Kid is in the place, and we tearing up the game, staying on a paper chase. Can't nobody match the grind, cause I hustle every day. I know that we ain't got much time. I do this for the 52-week highs and the lows, how it goes. Hope you enjoying the show. Yeah, I see the constellation working with its operation. Canopy is booming, I'm assuming that it's all with patience. Aurora, good feeling in my aura. I'ma double down on everything that watch I fuck a Sora. Chronos grew hot just like a bowl of soup. Invest in the best, Rich said it, you know the rules. You wanna listen to the others, you can go ahead. But I'm a spider on the wall like it's Charlotte's Web. I got the stamina when I'm buying after you. Don't listen to the poor advice, that shit is bad for you. The haters cover their face just like a masquerade. But my soul is at peace, I tell them namaste. Can't trust, something that you can't trust. Canadian giant everywhere just like dandruff. I hug and kiss them, you know what that is? XO. Parlez-vous français, I tell them hexo. Rich TV is in the house, big money, big stocks, that's what we all about. Ill Kid is in the place, and we turning up the game, staying on the paper chase. Can't nobody match the grind, cause I hustle every day, I know that we ain't got much time. I do this for the 52-week highs and the lows, how it goes, hope you enjoying the show.
Did you guys listen to the words, man? You see all the picks in there, man? These picks are like straight up fire. And we got more. We got more. We got more. It's true. Listen to this.
Hi, I'm Neela Rose. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Toronto, Ontario, Canada.
She's looking for a date. They got dating sites on Rich TV Live advertising. Hilarious. Felt like she was talking to me.
Ill Kid.
Listen to the picks, guys. Listen to the
Rich TV
picks.
Live. Let's go. If I told you about the markets and the profits, then it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning, get your popcorn, cause it's true. Yeah, I told you about the markets and the profits, then it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning, get your popcorn, cause it's true. Yeah, winning and spinning the crew. Putting this all in the proof. I'm in the proof in the pudding. You think you ballin', you shouldn't. Rich told you about Aurora. Now we trying to get a score. Now it's time to watch the layup. We don't sleep, we just stay up. We be predicting the shit. We be giving them bits. Ill Kid, always dropping the hits. If you ain't watching, I guess you be losing. You winning this shit. I'm playing for the game. Trying to get up on my chain. Haters step out of my way. 50 better get out my lane. Namaste is here to stay. And Canopy's a giant. Area is massive. And GDP's a lion. Buying all these top stocks in the future, your ass retiring. If you on top of your shit, then Lil Kid, you inspiring. Go and subscribe, go and get live. Rich TV, don't stay on the side. Comment below, go on our show. Picks are hot like out of the stove. No, we don't play, don't know what to say. Rich on his grind, making hits all day. Reap what you sow, go and get dope. Popcorn's done, here we go with the show. I told you about the markets and this profits, and it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning, get your popcorn, cause it's true. Yeah, I told you about the markets and this profits, then it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning, get your popcorn, cause it's true. Yeah, you can join the WhatsApp, long as your ass ain't sub bad. Always wondering what's next. We all here to gain success. $100 a member, 1 million members. Do the math, I'll do the rap. That's way too much money to mention. We in the green capital, we on the mean avenue. Know what I mean? All that I seen, I got a clean attitude. How can I be mad at you? I mean, how can we be mad at you? Rich TV is free and you still ain't got a wee bit of gratitude. ACB got ABCC, all ducks in a row. Please don't play with me. You say to me that Rich, he just don't know. He can't predict the way the market is. White line from his esophagus. How he got all this confidence. All the shit he's saying is nonsense. Nah, that ain't true. Take a look, now take a roll. All those picks all right through the roof. Like through the roof, like through the roof. Nah, you ain't making a cent. Nah, you ain't making a cent. Y'all, if you always a troll, y'all, then you'll live in a tent. If I told you about the markets and this profits, then it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning, get your popcorn, cause it's true. Yeah, I told you about the markets and this profits, then it's true.
If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning, get your popcorn cause it's true. Yeah.
We discover the undercover, underexposed, underappreciated, undervalued companies first. It's true. Because your boy rich. If you're not winning, you're probably not watching. We'll bring you the winners. They'll bring it to you first. I'm over.
This is what we do, man. Entertainment and education, man. Bringing winners, bring hits, and we bring picks. And we bring you the winners before they explode. Not after they explode and then take the credit for it. We talk about them when they're low, before anybody even knows. A great example is ZoomAway Travel. We brought you ZoomAway Travel at 2 cents. 2 cents. We brought the CEO on the show. When he came on the show, it was at 2 cents. It went to 14.5 cents. Never traded before. No one ever heard of them before. They come on to Rich TV Live. They get discovered. Now I believe they're at 9.5 cents. So they're still up like 400 to 500% for members that got in at 2 cents. And now we're looking, because we've already sold out, now we're looking for another entry to get in for the next jump up. I say the lowest it goes is 5 cents, between 5 and 7 cents. I think that's where we enter if it goes that low. I don't even know if it'll go that low, but if it does go that low, I think that's a great entry. And I think the future looks very bright for ZoomAway Travel. But yet again, another company that still needs to build revenues. You guys are asking me about dark pools. What is the sentiment with ACB? The sentiment with ACB right now is everybody is in a state of panic because Cam Bately has stepped down from his role with Aurora Cannabis to move to a role with MedRelief in Australia. So the sentiment is very negative. Everybody was saying it was going to be red today, and it is. Sentiment is what it is. You know, I can't change the sentiment. So a lot of people have been talking about dark pools lately. Everyone wants to talk about dark pools. Dark pools is a private forum for trading securities, derivatives, and other financial instruments. Liquidity on those markets are called dark pool liquidity. So this is where the institutions, the hedge funds, the whales, and the undesirables traders can go and trade, and it's like a whole nother world. And what a lot of people are trying to say is a lot of the volume, the buying volume, is being stolen from the dark pools, and that's not why we're not seeing these huge runs in the cannabis sector. I think that has absolutely nothing to do with it. I think that when the cannabis sector is going to run, it's going to run. And when market makers want to make it run and the institutions want to make it run, they're going to make it run. Just like they're running the broader markets right now, they can run anything they choose. But I think what's happening right now is because the broader markets are exploding at all-time highs, all the shorters are moving into the cannabis sector, and they're shorting the entire sector because they have no other means of making money, because they can't short the broader markets because the broader markets are going up. So what are they doing? They are shorting the cannabis sector because it's a baby. It's a new sector. None of these companies have any real profits. None of them have substantial revenue. So it's an easy target. And they are attacking the cannabis sector. The other sector that's heavily shorted is the cryptocurrency stocks have been heavily shorted, and the 5G stocks have been heavily shorted. 5G stocks are down. Cryptocurrency stocks are down. Cannabis stocks are down. All of them have been heavily shorted. The broader markets are at all-time highs. So the shorters are moving into newer sectors that are easier targets, that don't have institutional support and buying pressure. I'm going to give you an example. A few weeks ago, we had a huge explosion in the cannabis sector. Everything exploded by 25% in only 3 days. The entire sector jumped by 25% in 3 days. And then it came back down. So at any point in time, to me, that was just an appetizer of what's going to come. At any point in time, the market makers can put this thing on rocket fuel and the entire sector could shoot up 50, 75, 100%, 200%, 300%. I'm not kidding. Because the sector's done this already. If you look at the cannabis index, you will see that we've been as high as 1,000. Right now, we're around 200 in the cannabis index, which means for us to go back to all-time highs for the sector, we would have to go up 400% from these levels. 400% from these levels. Now, does anybody think that this sector that is growing every single day, that's going to have more stores, going to have more extractors, more CBD companies, more edible companies, more cannabis-infused beverage companies, more sales, more market share taken from the black market every single year for the next 10, 20 years until the black market's gone? Does anybody honestly think that this sector is not going to get bigger? I think we would all agree that this sector will get bigger. So if you believe that this sector will get bigger, then you have to assume at some point we're going to go back to all-time highs and beyond. So in order for us to actually go back to all-time highs and beyond, we would have to go up 400%. I say it happens. I say it happens. I'm not suggesting it's going to happen in 2020, but it's going to happen. I say get your popcorn ready, and when it happens, make sure you're ready. Make sure you have your popcorn ready. Make sure you invest in the best when it does explode. And I'm predicting a market melt-up, and I've been 100% correct about my market melt-up prediction. The market will continue to explode in 2020. There will be no recession, and there will be no crash. There will be corrections. It'll go up, it'll correct. It'll go up higher, it'll correct. It'll go up higher, it'll correct. It'll go up higher, it'll correct. It'll go higher, it'll correct. I predict there will be at least 5 corrections, and every time we have a correction, the media, the shorters, will jump out and say, now this is where the crash starts, creating mass panic, mass hysteria. People won't get in. People won't get, it'll jump. People will think about getting in, some will get in, and then it'll come down and they'll get scared. And then it'll jump and more people will get in and people will be scared. And then it'll come down, people will jump out, and then it's going to go even higher. And more people are going to come in until eventually it goes all the way up and everybody gets in, and then it's going to crash. That's the way it goes. That's how we get bag holders. That's how we get bag holders. I'm not surprised that Meta's up 17%, Dylan. I brought you guys Meta. I told you guys all we do is bring you winners. Even when all the dust settles, out of the 440 companies that got slaughtered this year, 10 that went up, we're still finding the bottom. And we're still identifying the best that have a chance to go up, and we will continue to. It is our mandate that in 2020, we bring you more winners than ever before, and we bring you better picks in 2020 than ever before, and we help our community win big. That is our mandate for Rich TV Live in our community for 2020. We've already correctly predicted a market melt-up. I've correctly predicted Meta. I correctly predicted EGLX. We correctly predicted Zoom Away Travel this year. We correctly predicted MetaFarm Labs, Valens Growworks. I've recently told you that IIPR is going to be one of my best picks for 2020. They're up today. We correctly predicted Tesla. They've been up over the last month over 25%. We correctly predicted Baby, which has exploded. We correctly predicted BEVCANNA, which is now up 20+% today. The list goes on and on and on and on and on. We correctly predicted EGLX when it was at 90 cents. Last year in January, I was at my Dominican villa on the beach I brought you EGLX. It was at 90 cents. Today it's at $1.90 something. I told you guys I love gaming. We correctly predicted so many winners. I've been talking about Apple since 2017. All they've done is go up. I've been talking about Twitter since 2017. All they've done is gone up. I've been talking about Facebook since 2017. All they've done is gone up. I've been talking about Amazon since 2017. All they've done is gone up. I've been talking about Netflix since 2017. All they've done is gone up. I don't know what else to say, man. Ross Fleming says Aurora is too big to fail. Clearly, they're in 25 countries. How are they going to fail? Tell me, how do they fail? Oh, they got too much debt. Sell a bunch of stock. Now what? They're not failing, man. It's all lies. It's all lies. Oh my goodness. When are you guys going to realize it's all lies? Dylan Fraser says, FOMO kicks in. Need good pullback before I get in. Tyler Trudeau says, Rich, so what happens in your opinion when Aurora hits profitability? I think the stock skyrockets. And all the naysayers turn into buyers. It's just the way it goes. Right now, they're beaten down because they're not profitable. As soon as they become profitable, it all changes. Now it's about how much profit. And the profit's going to be exponential. Pat Mann says, I've always wondered how I would get rich. Wake up in the morning, turn on Rich TV Live, take a look at our picks. We give you meta, bam, it explodes 150%. It's that easy. It's really that easy. Watch Rich TV Live, buy some Enthusiast Gaming at 90 cents. It goes to $2. Just like that. Watch Rich TV Live. He brings Invested Millennial on his show. She works at Tesla. Rich tells everyone Tesla's a buy. Rich tells everyone he loves the Cybertruck. Rich tells everyone that Tesla's going to explode. Tesla explodes, goes up 20%, 25%, from $320 to $420. We did that too. We did that too. Haytree says, to me, if ACB sees under $2, it's a fail. No, I think if ACB sees under $2, it's a buy. Infinite Possibility says, only amateurs chase the stock. There's a lot of amateurs. Infinite Possibility says, Play is a gaming stock, and I am waiting for them to blow. Thank you for the pick. Terrence Pugh says, why Enthusiast Gaming has an asking price of $100? Because they're a great company. They're going to be a giant. And for you guys to get into them at these prices is an absolute gift. When will I predict ACB? When I see the bottom. I haven't seen the bottom yet. But I believe the ACB is going to $10. I really do believe it's going to $10. Infinite Possibility says, Shopify is a beast. Wish I kept my shares at 260. Isn't that ridiculous? You had shares at 260. You sold probably for a profit. And now you wish you didn't. That's how crazy the market is. Ross Fleming says, I honestly want to go all in on Baby. The potential is nuts. I agree. They have so much potential. Don says, I agree about Baby. I think Baby's going to be a game changer. It could change the world. So yeah, those are the types of picks we want. At least 10,000 shares and just hold it. Why not? Infinite Possibility says, Dan Pena says, if you want a quantum leap, you need to risk all your money. Yeah, that's a very risky way to look at life. I don't know if I agree with that. Jay Malicious says, I don't see ACB going to $2. You know what? I don't even know at this point. We're just going to sit and watch. Tyler Trudeau says, Rich, Michael Singer from Aurora says they are profitable at 130 million quarterly revenue. Average analyst sales projections for Aurora are 753 million Canadian. So that would be 230 million in annual profits. How's my math? That's about right. I think that's probably about right. Yeah, now Shopify's at $530. Shopify's an absolute beast. All right, guys. So I just wanted to bring you guys those winners. I got really nothing else to say. Just Join the Rich TV Live family. Join the Rich TV Live community. We're building all kinds of memberships and teams, and we're going to be separating the real winners from the trolls and the haters. And I want you guys to be a part of it. We're building newsletters. We have a trading academy now, and we're winning there. And we also have an options trading academy that we're going to be launching, as well as a newsletter and a membership that we're going to be launching for members all over the world. We really want to make sure we bring you the best winners, the best picks at the best times. It is not my fault that the entire cannabis stocks crashed. I have nothing to do with that. I'm just an average guy like you guys, but I promise you this, I am loaded up. And when they explode, and they will, we will be here to tell the story. I promise you that. I promise you that. I promise you that. In the meantime, I've been giving you guys some Christmas gifts. This is a Richmas. It's Richmas. This is Rich Stradamus giving you guys a Richmas. 5 free picks, all of which are winning, and all of which I believe will continue to win. Tsla, BEVCANNA, Enthusiast Gaming, Meta Growth, and Innovative Industrial Properties, IIPR. Merry Christmas from me to you. Have yourselves a great day. I'm going to go to a Christmas party. I'm going to go watch the Leafs game. And I'm going to enjoy the winning. Sit back and enjoy the ride.
It's that time of year, go on, put your hands up. Sing it till you can't, it's gonna be the anthem. Home for the holidays, spend it with your family. Roasting up a turkey, all the kids are eating candy. Looking at the mantle, all the stocking tongue just right. We gon' live it up, we gon' really have a fun night. This is really Christmas, never let your friends miss you. Cause in the end, you can't take this money with you. Presents under trees wrapped up with a big bow. See the smiles on the children, this is what we here for. Papa need a new pair of shoes, watch me roll the dice, enjoying every minute. No, you make this the fucking life. Sitting by the fire, you know, sipping on a few beers. I'm wishing everybody Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Dancing like you don't care, feet on the floor, mistletoe hanging, Costa Rica on the door. Laughing by the tree, oh my God, my family killing me. Talking about Santa, how we coming down the chimney. You know, right there on the rooftop, you got his nose red, cause he hit the food shop. Cause I'ma live it up, do it just right. We're going just right, cause you know Christmas only one night. It's only one night. Don't ever let the magic pass by. Don't let it pass by. Cause this life only live for one ride. Cause I'ma live it up, do it just right. We do it just right. Cause you know Christmas only one night. It's only one night. Don't ever let the magic pass by. Don't let it pass by. Cause this life only live for one ride. City, sipping on some Henny. Damn, I'm feeling litty. Stars in the sky, what a wonderful life. Because we here right now, and I don't wanna die. Just wanna spend every minute right here with my loved ones, brothers, sisters, you know my cousins, aunts and uncles, you know the rest. The whole family over, plus invite some guests. I know sometimes you can really have your day wrong, but here's a cup with some rum, pour some eggnog. We gon' live it up, boys, feeling glorious. We gon' do it big like a man notorious. I'm wishing that the new year staying prosperous. Lots of wealth, lots of health, that's the obvious. Watch out for the haters in the audience. Fuck the negativity, stay positive. Cause I'ma live it up, do it just right. We do it just right. Cause you know there's only one night. There's only one night. Don't ever let the magic pass by. Don't let it pass by. Cause this life only live for one night. Cause I'ma live it up, do it just right. You know Christmas only one night. It's only one night. Don't ever let the magic pass by. Don't let it pass by. You just like only let the one ride. Ill Kid, Cloud Ninja Beats, y'all. Rich TV Live, from the Rich TV Live family to you. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Peace.
Invest in the best. FOMO is real. Epic.
So you've got
Our winners
dreams,
are epic.
big dreams, but your bank balance is
dreams.
small? Introducing Milo.
Milo. And definitely don't panic. This is green gold, folks.
Join the Rich TV Live.
Don't listen to the liars. They all lie.
Ladies and gentlemen,
They all lying.
welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. What we talk about: stocks, cash, charts, limits.
I won't let them go down that much, Franco.
Welcome to Rich TV.
I won't let them go down that much. It won't happen. People need to know the truth. People need to know the truth.
First things first, ACB, we all about it. That's Aurora, that's a score.
This man tells the truth.
Grew the channel from a minor to a major. Yeah, we players in the damn game.
That guy right there.
You want to advertise your stock, you can come and holler. We got members.
That man
ready
speaks
to
the
drop
truth.
$100. Back it up, we can back it up. 20,000 subscribers, oh my God, you can add it up. Comment below, getting all the dough. Sell it up high, then we buy it down low. We brought you pivot, we the shits there. What's your decision? Either standing or you sitting. Making so many videos, I'm like, here we go. So many controls, damn, I'm like, adios. We say it positive, all the members are dope too. If you want to get big money, we can show you. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. What we talk about: stocks, cash, charts, limits, red, green, something you ain't never seen. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. You can join the group. 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 We in the second round. Look where I am. He told you what to get. Yeah, he told you about Bam. Getting busy. Getting busy. They wonder about your kid. Like, who is he? The market crazy. Manipulation. I'm finna get this money. It's all in determination.
Good weed, good weed.
I roll it up. I smoke it up. I'm like,
Ooh wee.
look back, who you think brought you chemistry? Now it's up 100%, that's the recipe. That's the antidote. Damn, yeah, your man is dope. Watch me dance, I'm a prance like an antelope. Zena, you know
I would not hold these stocks. Take your money and run.
Watch the big stocks.
Buy stock, when you see profit, take it and run. Don't hold these stocks. Hold your cash. Hold cash. Don't hold these stocks. Hold cash.
Limits, red, green, something you ain't never seen. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. You can join the group. You can join the group.
Yeah, I don't know why you got to pay an extra fee, man.
You can join the group.
Company's not listed too much in the US.
Welcome to Rich TV. What we talk about: stocks, cash, charts, limits, red, green, something you ain't never seen. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to
Don't
Rich
panic.
TV. You can
Your
join
boy's
the group.
here.
You can join the group. You can join the group. You can join the group.
Epic.
You can join the group.
Community's non-stop ill kid. Dropping hits.
FOMO is real.
24/7.
Invest in the best.
Rich TV
It's
Live
true.
and Ill Kid.
And we are. I got nothing else to say, man. I got 200% with the winners.